Darn it. I can't believe I got grounded for pouring ink on the fruits at Kroger last year. What am I going to do now? I know, I'm going to throw acid at someone, and the person that I'm going to throw acid at is James the Red Engine. Ha 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 ha. And I know just where James is. He is at Ross Dress for Less. So let's head there, right now.
When Midnight Sparkle got to Ross Dress for Less.
Yes, I made it to Ross Dress for Less. Now to head inside and throw acid at James.
Ugh, Midnight Sparkle, what are you doing here? Can't you see I'm in the middle of shopping here in Ross Dress for Less?
Take this.
Somebody help me. Midnight Sparkle threw acid at me, and now my paintwork is melting.
Hang in there, James. I'm coming.
Ermac, thank goodness you're here. I was shopping here in Ross Dress for Less, but then, Midnight Sparkle threw acid at me, and now my paintwork is melting.
Really, Midnight Sparkle, I can't believe you threw acid at James the Red Engine here in Ross Dress for Less. You were never allowed to throw acid at anyone. Now James's paintwork is melting, and he has to go to the hospital thanks to you. For that, you will be kicked out of this discount department store for 2 weeks. Now flee from this area and go home right now while I notify your parents.
Midnight Sparkle, Midnight Sparkle, Midnight Sparkle, Midnight Sparkle, Midnight Sparkle, get over here right now.
Midnight Sparkle, are you out of your mind? We can't believe you threw acid at James the Red Engine and made his paintwork melt at Ross Dress for Less. You are never allowed to throw acid at anyone.
I agree with your father. Now James needs to go to the hospital thanks to you throwing acid at her. That's it, young lady. You will be grounded for 2 weeks. Go to your room right now.
Yes, Mom and Dad. Sorry, Mom and Dad.